So what's the best way to deal with these lies that shame is telling us? What's the best way to work through them, to arrive at a place of healthy shame, as opposed to toxic, harmful shame? It's going to be different for everybody, but I do think it's important, first and foremost, to just bring awareness to the shame voice. A lot of us just would love to keep it out of consciousness, keep it in the basement, because it doesn't quite fit in with the image that we have created about who we are, who we project to other people. And so actually just bringing in that there is a shame voice inside of you that is speaking very negatively to you into consciousness, into, let's say, a therapy room or a relationship of some kind with somebody you trust, or just by yourself, to invite that in and accept that it's there is a huge step in this process. You are not alone in experiencing that voice. It is very common. And so you want to try to bring it into consciousness. And then from there, you don't want to go into fix it mode. So if the shame is saying there is something deeply wrong, it's your fault, there's something bad, you need to change in some way, as opposed to actually following through on that and trying to fix yourself or change the body part, whatever it is, actually just creating a little bit of distance from the shame, recognizing that it is misdirected energy. It's energy that is trying to help you, but has been misdirected by the homophobia and transphobia of the collective. And so it's created this cycle inside of you of shame. And so you just want to witness that and sort of bring some awareness to it and create some distance. And it's helpful to say some sort of mantra. At first, it might just feel like words, but then it might sort of gain some meaning over time. Like, this is just a part of me. This is not all of me. It's trying to help me to survive, but it's been steered in the wrong direction. And there is nothing inherently wrong with me. I'm in pain, and it's okay to be in pain. And that's just an example of a more compassionate voice coming up to take care of you when you need it. And that is probably going to feel a bit like faking it till you make it at first. And it's never going to be perfect. You know, the shame will still take over from time to time, but you want to slowly but surely over time build up the more compassionate part of you who can objectively see what's going on and how this shame spiral formed in the first place and how we're actively working to disrupt it, and have compassion for yourself. And then in the moments when you're not feeling shame, just working on actually just expanding your queerness into the world. So forming more authentic relationships, following your passions, experimenting with everything, including sex and desire, and just having fun as your authentic self.